Hi, my name is Munir. I am an electrical maintenance engineer in an hydroelectric power plant. I'm here to present you this course and to share with you this experience on maintenance field. So welcome to the course of electrical maintenance, testing and troubleshooting.
The course was developed for you to understand all common electrical devices maintenance, for you to troubleshoot any electrical circuit or device, for you to execute any electrical maintenance with safety and understanding of what is being measured, for you to understand all the necessary tools to be used in electrical maintenance, for you to design panels, power and control circuits based on relays and PLCs, and on the end, you will know all the basics to succeed in any electrical maintenance position over the world. So what are the expectations from this course? First, you will understand all electrical panel design and wiring. And second, you will understand how to measure electrical quantities. So third, you will understand relay and PLC based control circuits. And fourth, you will understand much more important topics. So what are the course requirements? This course was designed for electrotechnical technicians and engineers, but if you are open-minded and ready to learn, this course is for you. You don't need to have basic knowledge of maintenance and equipments. So thank you and save your seat for the course.